Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Vbucks using Amazon gift card. So let's get into the video. So if you have an Amazon gift card and you wish to purchase Vbucks, unfortunately you won't be able to use your Amazon gift card on the Vbucks or the Fortnite's official site. So what we can do instead, we can purchase Vbucks using the Vbucks gift card. So simply go to Amazon and then in Amazon just search for Vbucks. Search for Vbucks gift cards and then you will be able to see here. So just choose the one that suits your budget. For example, let's concept something that suits you, just choose that, and then what you need to do, just hit on buy now and then complete the transaction. So when you pay for this, you can simply use your Amazon gift card to make this purchase. So when you get to this payment section here, simply use your gift card. Use your enter under this enter gift card option. Simply enter your gift card, your Amazon gift card, and then use it to buy this Vbucks card. So once you've already bought this Vbucks gift card, then you can simply go to Fortnite site and then hit on this under your account option. There will be a redeem option. Simply click on redeem, and then you can easily enter the redeem code here, and then just your gift card code here, and then simply redeem it. In that way, your Vbucks will be transferred to your account. So this is how you can use your Amazon gift card to purchase your Vbucks through the gift card. So that's pretty much it. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another